believe a train's coming. Ding, 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 ding. Check that out. This real fan dude here got him a little train. Are you allowed to be on camera?
Yeah, I don't mind it.
Okay. I posted on YouTube.
Okay.
Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Why don't you get in front and show them?
Hello, I'm Pod the Railfanner, and I have made this custom. That one.
Might be.
Run! Pussy, that's coming!
Oh, I pranked him so bad. Okay. Yeah, that won't a train. That's nice.
I keep thinking I hear a horn.
It's called Railfan Fever.
Okay.
Alright, anyway, here's this train.
Okay, so I'm Pod the Railfan, and I have made this custom EMD F59PH.
Wow.
I keep thinking I hear a horn. Anyways, this is modeled after the North Carolina Department of Transportation's locomotives. This is 1869. You can tell by my horrible painting job. And that's all I really have to say. I keep thinking I hear a horn, so yeah.
We have a clear signal approach for the train. There's an approach signal for the train coming, and we're expecting to catch it. So.
I keep thinking there's a horn whenever I come up.
Okay, he keeps thinking he hears a horn, so I'm gonna go check that signal again. I'm gonna go check it. The signal dropped down to red again. So maybe we'll get something pretty soon. So wait. You hear that?
Norfolk Southern.
I was about to...
Norfolk Southern.
Okay, so we have Norfolk Southern coming instead. Okay, let's go get him.
Oh, shoot.
I don't know if that's actually in ESSA. I'm gonna take my time on it, because I'm not really sure what's going on yet. Yeah. I'll let him show his train to my YouTube channel if that's okay.
Oh, yeah.
Cause are you okay with him being on there? Yeah. Okay. Are you okay with him being? What do you see? Taking my sweet little time. We thought we heard the train crossings down here. That train signal up there that showed approach dropped back down to red. So whatever happened, the train backed up or stopped. There is a crossing going off. No, there's a train crossing going off down there. What?
Yeah, it's red. Red.
I hear them bell though.
It's probably just enough.
Oh, right. What it is.
What?
It's like those trains. All right.
No, how did the train that be now?
Oh no! And he's here!
How did that train there?
And he's here with us today.
How is it coming here? How did you get this?
I didn't even hear no milepost detector go off, which makes it even more creepy. You know yourself, there should have been a milepost detector go off down there.
Yeah.
There's a malfunction or something going on down there. I think. I, let's walk in. Wow. Getting a rail car. Yeah. There's a malfunction down there. So it was good. We got to show him. Here's our real railfanner. Here's our railfanner right there.
Yeah, it's probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a malfunction.
Well, might have to call ENS and tell them to come down here and work on it. Yeah.
I think you see this track right here. I think it's owned by CSX because the crossing down there, it says CSX under the ID level. And plus there's that mystery that's sliding red phone.
Yeah. We might have to call Norfolk Southern. There's a malfunction down there. Yeah, there's a malfunction in railroad crossing down there. So you might have to call the company because that's a malfunctioning crossing that needs to be taken care of. It may not even be this one. It might be the one over there across that street. You know where the little Norfolk Southern branch is?
No. I know, why?
Because there's a little branch right here on that street.
Oh yeah, that one.
They might have parked the train on it.
Oh yeah, that might be right because there's this person I met last year called Ian Railfan or H. Something like that.
Yeah.
When he was coming to Summer one day, he saw that there was a CSX train on that track.
A short line train? CSX on that branch line?
Yeah,
I thought that was Norfolk Southern owned.
Yeah, same, but he saw a CSX logo.
Huh. Oh, don't forget your train.
Yeah,
I can't tell. Let me just leave the camera right here. And let's just walk down that way and see what we see.
yeah, really got
So, it is only an active line then.
I
Okay, well, that's all too.